want to thank all of our wonderful customers, loyal customers who have made Klahanie Chevron their place for all kinds of routine services. Here at Klahanie Chevron, we do it all. We have 5 service bays and technicians on duty 6 days a week. Oil changes, brake repair, coolant flushes, new tires, new batteries, and general repair provided by our ASE certified technicians. Here at Klahanie Chevron, we do it all. See you soon.
It's common to get emotionally attached to an automobile before you buy it. But don't, not before you have a pre-purchase inspection. The PPI is an estimate for any needed repairs, so you know what you're getting should you decide to purchase the vehicle. The examination of the car or truck is done prior to your purchase. How many points are covered in the inspection depends on how much you want to spend. A basic inspection will be mostly visual and include putting the auto on a hydraulic lift and checking for leaks or broken components. A more involved inspection will include a detailed road test where components such as steering and brakes can be assessed. A more thorough inspection will also include checking engine compression and a computer engine analysis. Depending on how deep of an inspection, you can expect to spend on average between $100 and $200 for around 1 to 2 hours of work. That's a small price when you find the vehicle you've fallen in love with needs $1,000 in repairs that you didn't previously know about. And it can arm you with points of negotiation to possibly get a better deal should you still want to buy that car or truck you love.
I'm Brad Heimbigner. Klahanie Chevron is here to help you, which is why we offer our monthly car tips videos.